Look, chill out, man. Look, he finna. Alright. Let me get it. Let me get it. My boy.
I just be running it up and out the way getting to it. And I done turned it to a lifestyle. We working, what you doing?
Boom. Just got son together. Got him a clean tank. Fresh sand for him to dig in environment. Got his temperature right. Got it work on it a little more. He at 70 degrees. He needs to be at 75. Cleaned everything out of there. He chilling up on the rock. He changing colors. Dang, I can't even focus on his color. He got a little dark. That mean he a little stressed. I'm in here bothering him in his space. He territorial. What's up, Rock? Don't worry though. I got these crickets for him. He finna be extra geeked up. Oh yeah, look. Cricket's active. Watch when he pee. You ain't, oh dang, he ain't even messing with it. That's alright, let me drop these crickets in here, y'all, see what he do. He gonna come to life. Alright, let's see what happened. I'm finna drop these crickets. See how fast he take to react once he see this food in here. Uh-oh, there we go. There you go. You see what's going on. They in there. Up. Look at that movement. Alright, I had to turn the flash off on my boy. See what he do. Oh yeah, see, I don't know if y'all can see, but like his chin dark. That's his beard right there, then turn dark. Normally it turn colors like that when they stressed, got an attitude, or whatever. So I just was in his space. You know, cleaning. Oh, there you go. You see it? Do your thing. Yeah, son. Yeah, son, go crazy. I noticed you waited till I closed it. You want me to close it? Alright. He didn't eat till I closed it. Let me close it back. Yeah. Oh, you missed, boy. Let's go, Rock. What you waiting on, blood? What you waiting on, blood? Crawling all over his house. You just playing with your food, huh? There you go. Okay. Let's go, son. Yeah. It's okay. He's so hungry. Come on, you next, Kiyon. I got you too, son. You next. Look, he's so thirsty, but look, he next. I got him together. He finna go crazy. He is. You see, like I was saying, underneath his chin right there, his beard turned black. That's normally when they stressed out, got an attitude, angry, whatever. They emotional. Yeah, get active, son. But yeah, his beard, so that could be. Also, like I said, I just put this fresh sand in here, and this is a new brand too, so he probably like, what's happening? This don't even feel like home because it's a whole different brand of sand that I put in his environment. But he's starting to warm up. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay. Let's go, my boy. So when I put the water in there for him, just like a conditioner that gotta go in there with the turtles, lizards, anything. You just gotta put a dap of this to take like all of the shit out the water that they not supposed to have, and they add electrolytes and calcium to it too, you know. So it just help rehydrate, it remove chlorine, ammonia, and all that from the water. So yeah, this gotta go in all of the water that they get. All right, my son Kiyon here, just adding a little more water. Filter inside of there working, so putting a little more water in here. Boom. So this is a basking station right here that he basks on, but it also doubles. It got the filter inside, so the whole filtration system in there working to clean it. As you can see, he nosy and he hungry. What's up, man? What's up, man? Look, I got him together too with him. He finna go crazy. Watch this. Watch when he notice. Look, he on it. Look, chill out, man. Look, he finna. Alright. Let me get it. Let me get it. My boy, my boy went crazy. I got you. Let's get these goldfish in here, man. Greedy Kiyon is. Watch this. Goldfish is officially in the. He don't even see him yet. Turn around. Uh-oh. Look. Yeah, get your work in. Put some work in. Put some work in. Oh yeah, you slow. Come on, son. He big as hell. This help him just hunting skills, keeping him active. I ain't gonna lie, them little goldfish fast too. Figure it out, son. Look, he's steady striking out. Figure it out, son. Oh, almost had him. Figure it out, my boy. Damn. Yo ass soft, boy. And then look at you. You just being nosy. And you over here finna be hungry. Almost. Okay, he didn't get it right. He done been smacking him now. He got his groove back. Kiyon ain't playing. Oh yeah. Huh. Kiyon gonna eat. Oh, you playing now? He was catching them back to back. You tired? You tired? Look, they in there. Bro, cooked. He still ain't moved. Those my sons though, Rocko and Kiyon, man. They eat good. I got a turtle and a bearded dragon, bro. Crazy.